So first of all, you will need to go to the artboard tool, and this one is the artboard tool, all right here. So the hotkey for it is Shift O, and if you press Shift O, it's going to select the artboard tool. And if you just one click on it, it will show you a dashed line around your canvas. So right here, what if we want to create another canvas or another artboard? The easiest way to do it is to click on this plus up here, and if you just one click on it, it will basically create another empty artboard or another empty canvas. So now what if we want to create a copy of the artboard one with our design there? So now I want to select this artboard, so I'm going to click here and it will select this artboard. So now if I want to make a copy of this one, what I can do is that I can press Alt, because I'm on Windows, and if you're on a Mac, you press the Option, and while keeping it pressed, you will notice that it will show you two pointers. One is black and one is white. So now, while keeping the Alt down or the Option down, you can simply click and drag and drop. So it will create a copy within the design that you created. Alright everybody, so I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.